Follow me if you want to see how I earned 50% profit in just one day. Greetings to you all, it's Magical Strategy Land. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who is engaging with our channel. It means a lot to me. A reminder, just like always, please do a lot of practice on all the strategies I teach you before you start trading. And another thing I wanted to tell you is that these indicators sometimes aren't just enough, especially the ones that I'm just using 1 or 2 indicators for entering a trade. If you have any other trading skills, something like price action, it would be much better. Okay, press the like button because we are ready to start. And don't forget to turn on the notification to my videos of my channel so you could be one of the first people watching this. Let's go. Okay, as you can see over here, we have the Bitcoin Cash chart on a 1 hour time frame. Why 1 hour? Because, you know, it was my choice. I think it's more logical than the other time frames. If you see something better that works better for yourself, you could try that, no problem. But please try before entering money into this market, okay? There are a lot of liquidations in it as well. So let's go to the indicators section over here. We are going to search MA, moving average, 1, moving average, 2. Okay, 2 moving averages. The first one, we are going to set the length to 5, and we are going to change the color. It really depends on your own choice, you know. I would prefer a yellow, and I would also make it thick. From this section, the thickness here, I would make it thicker. This much is enough for me. Okay, the second one, however, the length could be anything of 20 or 25. It depends on your own choice. Whichever you see works better. I usually set it on 25. The color is blue, it's good for me. A little bit more thickness, just like the yellow one, and we are set to go. Okay, here I have brought a good place on the chart. Just for a confirmation, in my other video I also told you I'm going to add another indicator, which is probably you know you guys are familiar with it. It's the MACD, moving average convergence divergence. Over here I'm going to zoom so you could see very clearly. Let's say here. Okay, I'm not going to say which position I'm going to open. As you can see over here, the two lines have crossed each other towards the downside. The yellow line has crossed the blue line over here. And one more point, these range places like this, you know, the the yellow line and the blue line are very close to each other. This is not good. We're not going to do anything with this part. But over here, as I said, we have a very good place. And over here, the same thing has been repeated. The blue line has crossed the orange line towards the downside. This is good for opening a short position. Okay, so I'm going to enter. I'm not going to even say here on the next candle over here. Where should I put the stop loss? Obviously on the highest place that we have had in the recent times, or the hills. You obviously know everything about the ATRs. I'm not just gonna repeat it all over again. So let's say something around here, and our ratio is going to be 1.5. Let's say even more. Okay, let's see when we could have achieved that. Here with a 1.5 ratio and something around 4 or 5 hours, we could have reached 2.61% profit, which equals to 26% profit if you had a leverage of 10. If you had a leverage of 5, it would have been 12.5%. And let's go to another place. Let me give you guys some other examples. Let's go, for example, over here. Okay, we are going to obviously open a long position, but where? We have had a crossover here. We could say we could have entered here. Yeah, let's make it normal. Okay, we could have entered here. As I said, the next candle is safer. But you know, this place is white. We need to pay attention to this too. You know, if it's green and it's moving upward, it's good. But you know, it has made a lower movement and it's also white. But even if we entered here, you know, it's a risky place. And our stop loss, as I said, somewhere even more. Somewhere around here with a ratio of 1.5, we would have easily reached our target in, let's say, something around 10 candles, 10 hours, because I have 1 hour time frames, and it would have given us 2.85% profit with a leverage of 1, with a leverage of 10, 28%, and with a leverage of 5, 14%. So this is pretty good, you know, for a day worth of working. This is a lot. And for the last part, which is the golden frame of our video, which I promised you guys at the beginning of this video, okay? 50% profit in 1 day in the Bitcoin Cash chart 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here I'm gonna open a position, not even in this candle which the cross is happening, in the next one. Okay, the MACD confirms it, the cross is happening. Let's go and see what is gonna happen. And done, finished in something around 10 hours. We have got a profit of 5.24% of profit with a leverage of just 1. Imagine if you have had a leverage of 10, it would have equaled to 52%, or with a leverage of 5, it would have equaled to 26%. Okay, but just remember something. Okay, if you saw these candles over here, if they're going towards the downside, okay, and if their color is fading from green to white, it's changing, this isn't really a good sign. But why did I enter this? Because these two lines are still going upwards. Okay, so this is a good sign for me. I'm gonna stay and I'm gonna stay put on my position, and I'm not gonna, you know, come out of it, because these two lines are going up, still going up. But for example, somewhere over here, as you could see over here, the blue line and the orange line are starting to get flat. Okay, this is a danger sign for me, so I'm gonna, you know, get out of this trade somewhere around here. And as you can see in the next candles, we have had two powerful red candles. So this was it for today's video. As I promised, 50% profit in 1 day, no cheating at all, with a leverage of 10. Thank you for watching this video. I'll try my best to keep you guys notified. Just, you know, press this bell under the video so you could stay notified. I appreciate you staying with me and watching this video till the end. Have fun, guys, and goodbye till the next video.